Welcome to Module 1. This module is going to cover two chapters. The first chapter has to do with defining and explaining what managerial accounting really is about. We're also going to be talking in Chapter 1 about cost concepts, including things like what goes on with particular kinds of costs. We'll be able to classify costs, we'll be able to categorize them so that we can use cost in a productive way and be able to make effective change when we look at the change in costs in an organization. So Chapter 1 is going to be an orientation to get you focused on what management accounting is as opposed to financial accounting, because we're using much different methods, more techniques, and we don't worry about generally accepted accounting principles because it's strictly for internal use. Therefore, your knowledge of financial statements, while it's valuable, is not going to be quite as required in this course as you might think it would be. So if you have issues with that as you go along, I'm available to be one of your resources. So make sure you use that. Chapter 2, also in this module, is talking about job order costing. In organizations, we have a couple of different ways of managing our job costing. One is job order costing, the other is process costing. Process costing will come up in the next module, but in this module we talk primarily about job order costing, how we track costs through a process, through a manufacturing process, and how we handle cost as we go along. How direct materials, direct labor, and overhead, factory overhead, or manufacturing overhead as it's sometimes called, is applied, and how it's applied, when it's applied, how we calculate what it is. So these are the issues that you'll be dealing with in Module 1. As we go along, there will be several projects in this course, all designed to make sure that you have a knowledge of how to apply the concepts that we talk about. As you go along, as you have questions, make sure you let us know so that you can get the help you need. Enjoy the course. I think you'll find this very interesting. I certainly hope you do. I had a good time putting it together, and if you have issues or concerns about it at all, please contact me so that we can get it sorted out. I'll be with you again soon.